Hi guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp, and we are going in the Dollar General to do some deals for Tuesday. This is not a penny shopping, guys. You know I do not do pennies anymore. This is just regular coupon with some scenarios. So let's go and see what we can find. Okay, the first deal we're going to get is the Lay's potato chips. Let's get sour cream and onion. And then we're going to do one barbecue Lay's. And let me show you the coupon. Okay, so you're going to get one sour cream and one Mountain Dew. Any Lay's chip that you want to get. And then after that, you're going to scan this. And you see that it says $1. But look, it takes off $2. So when you buy one participating Pepsi product and one, let me hit it for the details. See, this is what you have to buy. And one Frito-Lay product. Then you can get sour cream, any of those, but that coupon expires on 29, and so you have to buy two at the same time, the chips and the pop, and they are the 1 liters right here, guys. Okay, so that's one scenario that I showed you and that I am going to do today. Let's go and do another scenario that I got to show you. So this is the next deal that we're doing. We're doing the Snuggle. We're going to do, they're 2 for $8. You automatically get $4 off, and then we're going to use a $1 coupon for each one. So I'm going to grab 2 of these Snuggles because I like these. Hey guys, I had some coupons that didn't show up into my account until about 5 o'clock yesterday, and I had already filmed this video, so bear with me because I'm at home. See the Neutrogena makeup removal cleansing towelettes and wipes. The coupon is for $1.50, making those 50 cents a piece. That'll be great to either get now or to use in a 5 off 25 deal. Okay, these are the 3 that's going to be a penny. You're going to have the Shea Moisture Pure Virgin Coconut Oil, the Suave Shampoo Sun Ripened Strawberry. Apparently, it was only working on the shampoo at that point. 1 cent, and then then the Suave Conditioner Sun Ripened Strawberry. So the conditioner and the shampoo both will be a penny, and then the Shea Moisture Virgin Coconut Oil, see the little small one that was not at my store yesterday, that'll be 1 penny. Let me show you the coupons for those 2. Okay, that's the coupon for the Suave. You'll clip the one, say $2 off of 2. Okay, digital, and as you can see, it'll make it 2 cents or 1 cent, depends on how much yours cost. Okay, and that's the one for the Shea Moisture. You'll have to get the little gray cup that I showed you. That's the other one that'll make that one 1 cent. So let's get on to the rest of the in-store video. Thanks, guys. The Snuggle on these shakers too, guys. So you can use them on the shakers, you can use them on the liquid detergent. And I was trying to see what else you could use it on, but I know for a fact you could use it on that. Okay, guys, another deal I want to talk about, but it's over. But if this is why I tell you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, Ivy's Coupon Camp, subscribe to it, because some things I will not get to record. Like this only lasted for 2 days. It was buy 3, get $1.50 off, but you could buy up to like 12 and still get $1.50 off, and it'll just keep on taking off the $1.50. So I ended up with 12 cans of corn. If you go to my Instagram, you would have found that. So please subscribe to my Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to Ivy's Coupon Camp and drop me a comment. Also, guys, if you want to use your Snuggle coupon on the Snuggle air fresheners right here, it does says any Snuggle product, so it'll make those $2. So that's just a quick coupon matchup for you right there. Okay, now we do have the Airwick again, that coupon, but if I could find it, look like somebody called on and was like, nah, I'm gonna get those. So I have been literally coming here and collecting up all my Airwicks for $1.50, and they do not have anymore. I am looking through it and it's not here. So that's about it. This store pretty much getting wiped out. Let me scan this right quick. I think this was attaching to something. Okay, so the Airwick is attaching. So here's the Airwick right here, and it is It say $3.35, but mine is coming up as $3.35. Then a $1.50 coupon is attached. But as you can see, I have 2 coupons. So I am going to grab this right here also. Let me take a screenshot of that because I need it for my stuff. Okay, so that's another coupon. That coupon is on your app. So a couple of things. We're doing digital and paper today, okay? So just bear in mind that that's what we're doing. Okay, that was scenario number 4. Deal number 4. Not scenarios, deals. Okay, let's move on to like the deodorants and stuff. Because I want to see if they got any Axe deodorant. Alright, some people say they won't let you buy one, get one free. I did not have that problem with them. And if that's what's going on, you guys need to kind of like see what's their policy and why is that happening at those stores, because I haven't had a problem. My problem is that they haven't had the stuff. Okay, let's go look at the deodorants and stop playing around in here. Okay, here's the Axe for $2.50. I'm going to see if that coupon works, and then I'll confirm with you if it's working or not, okay? $2.50 for the Axe Phoenix Spray. And I'm going to use the buy one, get one free coupon. So I will grab 2 of those. Okay, let's see if the Tresemme deal is still going on. You would, of course, get the lower one, but if you watch my Walmart video, the Tresemme is cheaper at Walmart. It's just, you know, certain coupons was attaching to this. But go and watch my Walmart video, because it also tells you about this right here, and it tells you about some more different products that you can get for a cheaper price, okay? Okay. The swab, I'm gonna try and see if this is working. I don't know if it is, so I'm gonna grab one. Let's see. Okay, guys, I won't be grabbing one because I don't have my coupon with me. So I'm waiting for some more to come. So I'm good. Let's run the Tresemme for 1 second. I want to scan it and see something. Okay, no, that I didn't like what that was scanning for. Let's see. Okay. The Dow had a good deal on it. Let me see if that Dow is still that deal on there. Okay, the Dow was not a bad deal. I'm not going to buy it, but it's not a bad deal. So that'll make a good 5 off 25 scenario. So that's deal number 5. Okay, so let's get on to the next deal. Oh, okay, let's go and check out the fall clearance. This is the same store I did the other fall clearance in. So let's go and check that fall clearance out. Okay. Some people said that this gave them an issue. It did not give me one. I don't know why people are saying that gave them a problem. You have to point out what you're looking at. Okay, the clearance is almost wiped out, guys. That's almost gone. So let me check this because, now remember today I'm filming this on a Monday. This might clearance out to a penny if they don't pull them off the floor. Okay, I wanted to see if it cleansed out to 10 cents, but it did not. So those are not. Oh, look at the Christmas owl. It is getting wrecked over here. Wow. And it smells like something wet in here, guys. Phew. Some more coupons for you to clip is, I hope you clip the $2 off of the Scott. That'll be clipping out soon. So this is $1.50 off the Cottonelle coupon. All of these you should be clipping to your account. Okay, the Scott, let me see about this. I think it's $2 off of 2 if I'm not mistaken. If so, that'll make a good 5 off 25 deal. Nope, nothing attached to it, guys. So what's this? The Viva paper towel, $2, 3 for 5. That ain't bad. Let's see, they don't have any more, so it was a good deal. Okay. So, oh look, Fabuloso got their own disinfectant wipes out. Let's see how much they are, because that's the first time I saw it. Excuse my ashy hands, pardon me. That's $5, so I don't think I'll be getting that. I'd rather buy Clorox or something for $5. Wow, sometimes the places be getting out of pocket with stuff. Okay, here's a lot of Airwick right here. Oh, okay. Then we got those coupons for the twin. $2.50 off the twin. I don't know if it's Airwick though. Let me check the price of this. Okay, they have $5, guys. See that $5? And it did take the $1.50 off, but be diligent. Know that we have a $2.50 one that'll make those $2.50. So if you're buying those starter kits, you might as well get those and have refills to go in. Right? Okay. So let's go on to check out. That was how many deals? 1, 2, 3, 5 deals. So I gave you 5 deals and a couple of coupon matchups. I'm working on starting in January. I will be doing coupon matchup video for Walmart and Dollar General, plus the scenarios, okay? So just bear with me. I'm trying to get to it. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this channel. Okay guys, so here is my Dollar General haul. Now you guys know I use 2 accounts, right? First, let me put one disclaimer in here, maybe 2. Snuggle and All is together, but remember, it's a instant coupon. It's a manufacturer from Dollar General. So you could buy Snuggle, you could do All. You could do this deal anytime you want to because it's not an app coupon. It's just a manufacturer coupon that you could keep using over and over. You cannot use paper coupons with this. Now, let's cut off one deal so I can show you exactly what I bought. I bought the 2 Snuggles, the 2 deodorants, buy one get one free. This was $1.85 and these was $2, so they were $1 a piece. Remember, these were $4.50 for 2, so $2.25. This was just my second account. Okay, I just have it all up there together. Now, I did get my $4.50. They did use that because my deal came out to $9.85. So that's right. I said $4.50, $5.56, $85, $6.50. So $4.50, $6, $7, $8, $9. Yeah, 10, 11. It came out to what it should have. That's why I was thinking, like, what the heck? But that was my disclaimer. In the video, you're going to see me show you 2 all coupons. Those coupons, I mean 2 Snuggle coupons. Those coupons will not work because both of those are manufacturers. Okay, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe. I gave you 5 scenarios plus this nice deal today. Go and do. And don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram, Ivy's Coupon Cap, for deals that I cannot make a video of because they come too quick. Okay, bye.